Hello everyone. Now all of you would have heard the name Khardung, which is a high altitude road pass that connects two valleys in Ladakh. One is the Indus River Valley and the Shyok River Valley. When I looked up on the old Survey of India trails, I came to know that the Khardung, the road, is actually built on a pass known as Somla, and the real Khardung, the road was never constructed there. And you also see a red dash line which actually signifies a trail, and you can see Khardung written over there. It is approximately at 5,420 meters, and you can also see that there's a lake on the other side. So that was my point of interest, and then I came to know that the real Khardung is maybe not the real Khardung. So now we are a team of 4 individuals, and the aim is to go see how beautiful that lake is, do a quick 1.5 hour ride, park your vehicles along the road and start climbing up. There's some 200 meters of ascent, so I think we'll be able to do it in 30 to 40 minutes, and then we'll reach the ridge line, and I'm pretty excited. Let's see how the lake looks like. That's the town of Leh, and that is the road to Khardung. We're hiking up here. You can see some cairns there. Nice landmark. Yeah. Woo! Quite a solid climb above 5,200 meters. Not easy. This can be the shortest hike done in Ladakh. Yoo-hoo! This is the beautiful little lake right at the center of the screen. Nice. And then you can also see the Khardung road on the other side towards the Khardung village. Yeah. Good amount of snow. The north facing slopes. This is from where we came. It's a beautiful landscape. Yeah, so the ridgeline is at 5,400 meters. It was half a kilometer hike for this view to the beautiful lake here. Yeah. Amazing. This one is not mapped yet. There's no name. We'll try to assign a name. And you can even see a trail to get down here. And you can further continue hiking, go all the way and meet the road on the other side of Khardung. Yeah, and we also have a small sort of a watchtower. Yeah. Woohoo! Whoa! Very nice. Let's follow the trail all the way down. Should be a quick descent.
We found a Yeti on the trail, no?
Yeti?
We found a Yeti on the trail.
Yeti on the trail. You brought Yeti on the trail.
It's in my heart.
So this has officially become the shortest hike in this high altitude landscape. We are back at 5200 meters. We have done some 1.5 kilometers only to the lake and back on the road. So this is the only climb that we did right there. That's where the lake is, 250 meter up. You can park your vehicles. And now we go back. Shortest hike ever.
Yes.
1.5 ghanta.
Wow. Amazing.
But I think
views.
acclimatization is crucial. We are able to do this because all of us, Sampath and me, we have already done 100k. Pang to Sumariri. Milind is here since over a month now. Lata came 3 days ago.
She's
But-
Pahadi.
No, but she has slept for 2 nights at 3500, so going up till 5-4 and getting down works. So yeah, easy, but only when your body is pretty acclimatized. Cool, let's go back. Chalo. Bye bye. Yeti signing off. Bye bye. So guys, this was the smallest hike that I've ever done, and the experience to go and see Khardung Tso was indeed amazing. I hope that you would definitely like the video. I'll also come up with a detailed blog where I'll share more details which I'm not able to put in the vlog, and you can find the article on creedaz.in. I'll also drop a link to the article in the video description below, and if even after reading that, if you have any further queries, then please feel free to reach out to me and mention your queries in the comment section below, and I promise you a prompt reply. But yeah, this is all as of now. I'll see you in the next one.